So this morning, well, I'll start from the beginning. Last week I used my truck for some work purposes. I got some scratches through the paint in the box. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna call Line X because I know quite a few people who've used Line X, and even after like 20 years, it still looks good. So I said, I'm only gonna get Line X. So that's what I did, made an appointment, dropped it off this morning, and now I'm about to go see it. So let's go see it. So this is the finished product. I think it looks pretty good. Line X. So if you're new to the channel and don't know, this is my 2001 Ford Ranger that has a 4-cylinder Kubota turbo diesel engine in it. And so we'll do a little update on it. Last you saw was the bed liner. That's also like the last thing we did because I haven't had time to work on it. But as it sits, it has a bad pulley again, so that needs to be fixed. And I don't know what else to do to it, so give me ideas. But as it sits, it's besides that pulley and getting that reliable, I think the build is pretty well done. We'll keep doing little things here and there that I think of, but I think it's a good truck as it is. Another thing I do want to do to my truck, because there's lots of stupid drivers here in Ontario, so I want to get a dash cam. And I saw a nice one on a 2008 Ford Cummins. It had a in the rear view mirror, it had a little screen. It had like, so when you back up it turns to that, but it's always filming forward for dash cam footage. I think it films forward and backwards all the time. I'm not really sure, but it looked really cool. And when the screen's off, it's just a mirror. But I don't even know what that's called, so if any of you have that, tell me what it's called. And that's, yeah, or just a really good dash cam I'd go for in this, because I need one.